Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So firstly, let's enter the camera app, and I hope that you can see it. I've previously applied the grid lines. It is in order to show you the actual evidence that the reset option will work. So in order to find them, just tap on this 3 bars icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings, which are right here. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom, and as you can see here, we've got restore default settings. So let's tap on it, and your device will ask you if you really want to do it. So let's tap on OK. As you can see, those settings flashed a little, so we can go back and check. And as you can see, firstly, we've got the info, which is starting with welcome to camera. So this is the very first evidence that we just reset the settings. So let me allow it, and only this time. And as you can see, the camera is clear, and you cannot see the grid lines, the helper lines. So it means that we just successfully reset all previous customizations and settings. So actually, that's all. This is how to reset camera settings in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.